A genetic mutation is a permanent alteration in the DNA sequence of an organism's genome. Mutations can occur spontaneously during DNA replication, as a result of exposure to mutagens, such as radiation or certain chemicals, or through genetic recombination. Genetic mutations can lead to genetic diversity, which is the variation in genetic traits within a population or species. Here's how genetic mutations contribute to genetic diversity. Introduction of new alleles. Genetic mutations can result in the creation of new alleles, or alternative forms of a gene. These new alleles may encode proteins with different structures or functions than the original allele, leading to phenotypic differences among individuals. The introduction of new alleles through mutations increases genetic diversity within a population. Accumulation of genetic variation. Over time, genetic mutations accumulate in populations, leading to a wide range of genetic variation. Different mutations can occur at different locations, within the genome, resulting in a diverse array of genetic traits and phenotypes. This genetic variation provides the raw material for natural selection and evolutionary change. Genetic drift and founder effects. Genetic mutations can also contribute to genetic diversity through processes such as genetic drift and founder effects. Genetic drift refers to random changes in allele frequencies within a population due to chance events. Small populations are particularly susceptible to genetic drift, as random fluctuations in allele frequencies can lead to the loss or fixation of alleles, increasing genetic diversity over time. Founder effects occur when a small group of individuals colonizes a new habitat or becomes isolated from the main population. The limited genetic diversity of the founding population can lead to unique allele frequencies and genetic traits in the new population. Adaptation to changing environments. Genetic mutations play a crucial role in adaptation to changing environments. Mutations that confer advantageous traits, such as resistance to diseases, tolerance to environmental stresses, or improved reproductive success, can increase in frequency within a population through natural selection. This process allows populations to adapt to new environmental conditions and exploit new ecological niches, leading to increased genetic diversity over time. Maintenance of genetic diversity. Genetic mutations contribute to the maintenance of genetic diversity within populations and species. Although some mutations may be deleterious and reduce an individual's fitness, others may be neutral or beneficial and contribute to overall genetic variation. Genetic diversity enhances the resilience of populations to environmental changes, reduces the risk of inbreeding depression, and provides the raw material for evolutionary innovation and adaptation. In summary, genetic mutations are permanent alterations in the DNA sequence that contribute to genetic diversity within populations and species. By introducing new alleles, accumulating genetic variation, driving evolutionary change through natural selection, and maintaining genetic diversity within populations, mutations play a central role in shaping the genetic landscape of life on Earth.